come collect eggs with me today.
Oh, sorry, Harriet.
Ducks like to bury their eggs.
1 duck egg. 2 duck eggs. Oh, sorry, Polly. I just saw Polly come out, so let's see if she laid her egg. She did not. We did get one other duck egg that she was sitting on. 1, 2.
2 brown eggs.
And this is chicken egg number 3. This is duck egg number 4. This is chicken egg number 4, 5, 6. Chicken egg number 7. And chicken egg number 8. Chicken egg number 9 today. And the last egg for today, chicken egg number 10. So today we got 4 duck eggs and 10 chicken eggs, which is almost the maximum amount of eggs that we can get in a day. That would have been 5 duck eggs and 10 chicken eggs. Nice work, ladies.